Morning guys, so I'm going to show you a technique to massage a muscle called your levator scapula, which attaches from the neck, and it attaches to the top of the scapula. Now it's called the levator scapula basically because it elevates the scapula, and this muscle can be often be responsible for things like headaches, especially when the other muscles aren't doing their job. So especially the upper traps muscle, this levator scapula can come into play a hell of a lot more, and it gets a little bit gristly, a little bit gnarly, and it just gets a little bit fed up. So this is what we're going to be working on today. Okay, so the levator scapula, as you've seen, attaches onto the neck and onto the scapula itself. So if you place your hand over your shoulder, over the opposite shoulder, and you feel around, and you can feel your scapula and your shoulder blade. Now if you feel right on the very top and sort of dig your fingers in, what you'll find is, if I show you around there, roughly around about this area, that's where mine actually attaches to my shoulder blade. And again, if you roll over onto this, it can just feel a bit, again, a bit gristly, a bit gnarly, a little bit like it just wants a little bit of TLC. So one way you can do it is with a massage ball, tennis ball, whatever you want, whatever you've got, and you can basically place the ball, so using your fingers, place the ball into that area and just start off having a little bit of a roll around. Now this is so convenient to do. You can keep a ball in your desk and just give it a little bit of a rub. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a rub around, and then I found that spot that just feels, it just keeps going over all the time, and I'm going to keep it roughly on that area, and I'm going to move my head side to side and up and down. I'm just going to have a bit of a play with it, and that's eased off a lot already. And then I'm going to go looking again for a little bit more, and then I'm going to move the arm. I'm just going to have a play around. So again, it's attached to the shoulder blade and the scapula, so if we move that forwards and back, then that's going to start to affect that as well. You can use the ball, you can use your fingertips. It's nice and easy to do with just your fingertips. So dig in, have a dig in, move the head, move the shoulder, and release a little bit of tension in that area. Make sure you're doing both sides, and it makes a huge difference. So that is working on your levator scapula with either a ball or your fingertips, and I hope that helps. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.